Snake, and I'm going to show you the 3 most annoying sounds in the world. Number 1, fat dude. Number 2, I have no idea what this is. And the last one, Fred. I can't do it. Okay, it's not Fred, it's just a baby voice. He said, my sister, go. Go, Bookie, go. Ow, ow.